Good afternoon, everyone. This is Michael O'Malley here with the Hurricane Outlook and discussion. Just a brief update right now. We do have potential tropical cyclone 16, which it has almost become a tropical storm at this point. We do have the Air Force reconnaissance aircraft that is heading into this system as we currently speak. This is expected to be a tropical storm upon landfall into the Florida Panhandle, and for that reason, we do have tropical storm warnings that are up for portions of the southeastern Louisiana coast throughout extreme southern Alabama and into Florida, and even tropical storm watches as far east as the almost near the Florida Peninsula, near Cedar Key. So certainly something to kind of keep an eye on. This is only expected to be about 50 miles per hour upon landfall right now, and you can certainly see that maximum sustained winds are only expected to be around 50 miles an hour. We'll have to certainly keep an eye on that, but certainly for the most part, the storm surge is going to be the biggest thing at this point, and we do have storm surge watches and warnings, or storm surge watches rather, that are up from near Clearwater and Tampa all the way through to near Panama City. So certainly something to kind of keep an eye on, as storm surge could be nearing about 3 to 5 feet. And we take a look here at the storm surge inundation maps. You can certainly see that they may end up being around 3 to 4 feet, even 5 feet here. Certainly Cedar Key and some of the other low-lying areas could see 3 to 5 feet of storm surge above normally dry ground. So it is incredibly important to understand that. Taking a look here at the Weather Nerd satellite image here, you can certainly see that it has remained a little bit disorganized over the last couple of hours, but regardless, this is expected to become a tropical or subtropical storm by later this evening, and certainly some indications are that it already has become a tropical or subtropical system. So certainly something to kind of keep an eye on over the coming days. Obviously, again, for the Florida Panhandle and the Florida Peninsula, this is going to be something to monitor. We do have the potential for storm surge 3 to 5 feet, damaging winds 50, 60 miles per hour, as well as the threat for isolated tornadoes in the right front quadrant of the storm. Certainly something to kind of keep an eye on. And even after it makes landfall, even continuing impacts into Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. So certainly something to kind of keep an eye on. I'll have a fuller update later this evening.